Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sugar Honey IT. Today I have with me Miriam.
Hi.
She's the health lady and I am the tech guy. Today we're reviewing the new NutriBullet Balance,
Yay.
which is a combination of technology and health. And Miriam can tell you about how you often put too much sugar, that is.
Yes, people usually put too much sugar in a smoothie, so they think it's healthy, but actually it's not. It's gonna be like worse than a cheeseburger.
All right, there you go. So with this new NutriBullet Balance, this is going to help you to make your shakes even more healthier than it already is. So just stay tuned. We'll be right back. Okay, good. We're back now, and we're going to have an unboxing.
Yeah, finally.
Yeah, exactly, right? She's been waiting
For 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Told her you cannot open this until I get here. Anyway, so all right, let's go. Let's do it.
Excited? Okay.
All right, so unboxing it, opening it up. I'm just the assistant here, yeah? So just tell me what you want me to do.
Then you have to
All right,
turn it.
all right, so let's go.
I need your help.
Turn it up and slide it out. You got that part, I got this part. All right.
Ta-da.
Okay, box goes away. Ooh.
Just like a big egg box.
Yeah, exactly. All right.
Okay. So we start with the main one. That's the base.
All right. The base. This is pretty cool. Oh, cool. It has suction cups to the bottom. Look, it's pretty cool.
Ah, yeah.
Ah, that's smooth. In case you get rough, like really, like you intense blending, it doesn't move. Just saying.
What is inside?
Just
It's a
as the
protector.
box, and it has. I don't know what that is, but anyway, whatever it is, it looks like it's designed to weigh stuff. So
That will
that's
be
pretty cool.
the blade.
All right, awesome stuff. Comes with one blade. Okay.
The big cap.
The big cup with. I know what this is. Ah, there it is.
Yeah, you can change color, so each one can have a different.
There we go. Awesome stuff.
And another cap. Yeah, big actually.
Pretty cool. All right.
And the lids.
There you go. So these are to-go lids, I think. You after you make your smoothie, just pop them on, and you're good to go. All right, awesome stuff.
And,
2 lids.
Yeah, and another one.
All right, good stuff.
Yes.
Any other? Nothing else. All right, guys. So now you see what's in the box, and now let's put it all together and see how it works. All right. Okay, so we gotta add the ingredients now, but with the app, what we do is just click. Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create our own recipe. We're adding 6 ingredients, so we hit select, create our own recipe, hit start, and then we have to add the amount of ingredients that we're gonna add. So we're gonna add
1,
6
2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ingredients.
6 ingredients. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome stuff. All right.
Okay.
First ingredient is.
We're gonna try with the spinach.
Oh,
You have to look for it.
wait, before we do that. Okay. All right. So.
Okay, yeah, you place the cup, you put start, and then you add the ingredients.
Right. All right, there we go. Now we're back on track, people. All right.
So
All right.
we start
So-
with the spinach.
All right, we start with
Okay,
spinach.
so you
So
have to
I have to select the ingredient,
Yeah, look for it.
search spinach. First, you gotta know how to spell spinach, just so you know. All right. So.
I hope so. Huh?
Yeah, exactly. So we're gonna put 1 cup of spinach. Now spinach is very light, so the blender doesn't detect. Oh, actually it does.
It does now.
Yeah, it does.
Put that.
It's pretty cool. Done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. So we have 20
Yeah.
grams of spinach.
There you go. All right.
Awesome.
Yay! It works. It's alive. All right.
And
So our next
now
ingredient.
you're gonna put the next ingredient.
Hit that. What are we putting in next?
It's a broccoli. What is it called? Flower? No, broccoli.
Wait, let's see.
Broccoli florets.
Florets. There you go.
Okay. You ready?
Yep. Good to go.
Cool. Okay, so that's
About
37 grams.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna add some celery.
Wait. I haven't added yet. Gotta hit celery. Celery. See. Raw celery, right? Alright, drop it in there. Bang. And more bangs. We just get so much bangs. It's just
Bang,
amazing. Yeah. Alright, so we got the celery in, so let me just choose another ingredient now. What's this next ingredient we're going in?
We're gonna put half a banana.
Half a banana. So, but it'll record the amount, right? So I just put banana.
Yeah.
Banana. I love plantains and bananas. And it's not frozen, right?
No, it's fresh.
Alright, let's go. Drop it in.
From the tree. Okay.
Alright, so we got about 50.2 grams of banana.
Okay.
Cool. Alright, next ingredient. What is this?
It's pineapple.
Pineapples. Fresh pineapples, right?
Yes.
Alright, let's go. Showtime. Alright, so we got pineapples in. Pineapples are in. We have 95.5 grams of pineapple. Alright, so wait, let me add the next one. Sorry. Okay. I think we run out of ingredients. But anyway, okay. What's this? Almond milk.
Yeah, almond milk.
Alright, so almond milk.
I don't know how much I'm gonna put. Just like to have.
Okay. Alright. So we got like about 72 calories, 190 grams of almond milk. Alright. And then what else?
I think that's it.
That's it. What do we end up with? Okay, so we have, to recap, we have spinach, broccoli, celery, banana, pineapples, and almond milk. So let's get rid of.
You can add some ice if you want.
There we go, ice. Bang. Let's do some ice. All right, so we're gonna add some ice. Oh, I thought this was gonna say ice has calories. That's not what kind of ice is it? Anyway, so sorry, so we got 57. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
We have 57.2 grams of ice. All right, good stuff. All right, and then that's it. So now,
now you save it.
Save, bang, and then hit blend, I guess, right?
Yeah, but we have to put the blade first.
Oh yeah, can't blend now. Can't blend now. So you gotta put the blade first.
I'm gonna put the blade.
There we go.
Yeah.
And flip it upside down.
Yes. Like that. And I'm gonna press it. It's the by itself.
Oh, it's not by itself. That's so cool. I gotta get one of these.
Amazing.
Alright, so we're good.
So you know what are the macro we have in? So we have 185 calories, 2 grams of fat, 10 grams of carbs, and 5 grams of protein. And we can also see how much sugar we have, I think.
And for you guys that don't know what current gram of carbs is, it's 40 grams of carbs. 40 grams of carbs. Alright, awesome stuff. Alright, now showtime. Now we gotta see what we make. Of course, I am no chef. So I'm taking no responsibility at all for how this tastes.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do it. All right, let's see how this goes. Can't die by myself. All right, this should be nice and healthy. See how it goes.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All right. It's actually not pretty bad. It's pretty good. I can feel me losing weight already.
I can see it too.
You see it, right?
Oh my god.
Like, all right, so there you have it. So
that was easy.
yeah, that was pretty easy actually. It was actually pretty easy. So there you have it. So it times it for you, it stops it for you. It's an amazing product, and it measures everything for you. And like Miriam was saying, that's the right way to do things, right?
Yes, I mean, like a lot of people, as I said, put so many fruit in it, so then at the end it's not healthy. So that's the way to do it. You can see how much of what you're putting in it, and you can make sure that you're eating something cool.
All right.
So here is how it looks like. You have your list of ingredients here, and if you click on nutrition, you have all the nutrition facts. Then if you click on the shopping cart, you can add all the ingredients we used today for the smoothie. And if you go back to your shopping list, you have here all the ingredients and you can go shopping.
Thank you guys for viewing, and if this video was informative for you, you guys can give us a thumbs up, and if not, give us a thumbs down. We don't care.
No, a thumbs up too, I think.
Yeah, thumbs up. Just give us a thumbs up, whether you like it or not. Just thumbs up.
Yeah.
And if you are not subscribed to the channel, just go down there and hit the subscribe link. There you go.
This one.
Yeah, no. All right, and see you guys in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.